Hi everyone, my name is Geraldine and I'm your regulated Canadian immigration consultant with my license number R707287. Kahit po medyo masama pakiramdam natin today, I feel the need to update po ang ating mga kliyente know about the latest news from IRCC or the Canadian Immigration. In the past, napakarami po nating mga kliyente na gusto na po mag-sign up, sabi nila, for the TR to PR pathway. But that time po, we didn't feel na tama na mag-accept na po ng sign-ups for the TR to PR pathway for the reason of wala pa nga pong kalinawan ang eligibility po for such a pathway. So, this is it. Sa bagong naghihintay po ng bagong TR to PR pathway, which is supposed to be inaasahan po this year, 2026, na katulad nga po ng policy na inilabas noong 2021, IRCC has finally released po the details for that initiative. And honestly, medyo disappointing ang balita. Hindi medyo, talagang very disappointing ang balita. So, inasahan natin na magkakaroon ng bagong intake window for everyone. Pero nilinaw ng IRCC that this is not a new program. So again po, this is not a new program. Instead, it is a fast tracking measure lang daw po para sa 33,000 workers na may active na permanent residency applications na sa system. So, sino nga po ba yung mga included dun sa 33,000 na target nila na for fast track PR application? So, dapat daw may active na PR application ka na under existing streams like a PNP or AgriPilot or the home care worker immigration pilot na hinawakan po natin. It was really successful submission last year. No, and then sabi rin nila, you must have lived in a smaller community. Yung labas na po sa 41 largest urban centers ng Canada for at least 2 years. So that is the condition, for at least 2 years. And lastly, you must hold a valid work permit. So bakit nga po ba disappointing to? Imagine po, napakalaking dagok po nito sa mahigit na 1.4 million temporary workers dito sa Canada. Dahil nilimit lang nito yung mga nasa QNA at sa mga nakatira lang sa rural areas na exclude ang karamihan sa ating mga international graduates, let us say, at yung mga urban workers na umaasa sana sa lifeline na to bago ma-expire yung kanilang existing permits. So I know this isn't the golden ticket news na hinihintay nating lahat. No, my best advice is huwag muna po tayo or huwag nang umasa at all for this special TR to PR pathway lang. No, it's really time to shift your strategy. So tingnan po natin yung mga provincial nominee programs or category-based express entry draws na nag-priority dun sa skilled trades or occupation na hinahanap ng Canada. Hindi man ito ang balitang gusto nating marinig, no, pero napakahalaga na alam natin ang katotohanan at makapagplano po tayo ng maayos. Evaluate your options and stay proactive. Remember, they are targeting 33,000 workers and it will run until 2027 next year. Still, it's very important po sa inyo na pasukin nyo ang lahat ng options for a PR option. Go for PNP, go for express entry, no, and other PR pathways na available po up to this time. I am Geraldine, again, your RCIC. Stay informed at kaya po natin to. Thanks for watching.